Happy Wednesday. Welcome to Ayo's Craft. My name is Ayo, and today we are going to be doing an upcycle series. I've got a couple of jeans that are like damaged, and some of them I don't wear anymore, so I've been storing them, and I want to do like an upcycle series of these jeans, turning them into different things. Now, initially I wanted to use it to do a rug, but somehow I think I've kind of changed my mind on that idea. So for the first episode, or for the first upcycle series, I'm going to be doing a headband. So this is a headband that I made using tulle, and if you want to know how to make this, stay tuned. If you're new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I put up a new video. Here's a close-up of what the headband looks like. As you can see, this particular one is made from tulle fabric, but you can make it from any other fabric. As a last minute thing, I decided to add these pearls because I have a few of them around, and so I did that using just a needle and thread. It's optional, you don't have to add that. So this is it. So let's get going and I'll show you guys how to do this. Measure the length of your headband. This is about 14.5, and add 10 inches to that. So that would give us about 24.5. So that would be the length of the jean that we're going to cut. So I could just make it 24 instead of 24.5. I'm going to cut mine at 24. I'm just eyeballing it because I don't need it to be like perfect. So that is this cut. So what I'm going to do next is I'm simply going to open both sides of the jeans like so. There you have it, fabric unit. So the next step now will be to fold it in and fold it in like so. Now take this and find somewhere around the midpoint of the fabric. So normally this is what I do, simply do this. Right, and then we make a knot. So now we simply arrange it to the desired, to what we desire really. I think this is okay. Alright, so the next thing would be to glue and to glue the edges down like so. You can use hot glue if you have any. Unfortunately, I think I'm out of wax for my hot glue, so I'll be using the other glue that I have on the. So what I'm going to do is simply fold here and here, go like into 3, and do this. If you have any excess, there's a bit of excess here, so I'll snip that. as you can. And if you need a peg, you can use a peg or something to just hold that thing down. So you repeat the same thing for here. I got too much of the fabric on this side. I think I got too much of the fabric, but not to worry. We'll be using the ribbon to hide any excess. So we'll glue this end as well and allow it to dry. So this is